The following demonstration will show how Lotus Forms and WebSphere portal help streamline the hiring process for large financial institutions. We focus on saving employees valuable time and helping them ensure they have the right staff in place to provide top-quality customer service. In our scenario, Zeta Bank needs to streamline their new employee hiring process. In a competitive job market, they are challenged with finding the right quality candidates to fill their open job positions in a timely manner. The existing process, from posting the position to making an official offer to a prospective candidate, could easily take months. This translates into wasted time as well as a potential impact to customer service levels. Furthermore, the long hiring process often causes Zeta Bank to lose quality applicants to the competition. To streamline the hiring process and help ensure they get the right staff in place, Zeta Bank chose a solution powered by Lotus Forms in a WebSphere portal environment. With this solution, Zeta Bank's hiring managers can quickly post new positions to their human resources portal, with the ability to add position-related criteria to the customizable HR template form. Using portal, the HR team can effectively manage the hiring process by quickly ranking prospective employees according to the specific requirements of the position. In doing so, Zeta Bank can decrease the time spent screening and creating a shortlist. In addition, validation in the background check form reduces data entry errors when applicants fill the form. This avoids repeated requests for corrected data and allows Zeta Bank to secure their new staff in a timely manner. Currently, when the Zeta Bank hiring manager, Beth, needs to fill an open position, she sends a job description to the HR department. The HR team then places the job opening onto Zeta Bank's website. Potential candidates view available positions on the bank's website and then submit hard copies of resumes and written cover letters via mail, courier, or email. After the competition has closed, the HR team reviews each application and ranks them based on the identified criteria for the particular position. To do this, the HR team reads each cover letter and resume package and manually matches the criteria to the specified requirements of the position to determine which candidates will be selected for the short list. This is a very expensive and time-consuming process due to the unstructured nature of cover letters and varying resume formats. The shortlist is then presented to Beth. Beth then reviews the application packages and selects which candidates to interview. After interviewing the shortlisted candidates and choosing a candidate for a position, an offer package is mailed to the desired applicant. This hard copy offer package consists of an offer letter and a series of background security check clearance forms. All of these documents must be signed and returned to Zeta Bank. Once received, Zeta Bank then mails the forms to a third-party company to complete the background checks. This paper-based process is time-intensive and presents numerous points for manual data entry error, which can slow the process or worse result in an incomplete application that must be restarted. Over time, Zeta Bank has lost several highly qualified candidates that were presented with other offers while waiting for the hiring process to be completed. After conducting extensive research into the options that were available to them, Zeta Bank chose to automate their previously tedious hiring system with a solution based on Lotus Forms and WebSphere portal. Beth simply logs into Zeta Bank's portal application to begin creating her new job application form. She navigates to the Create Job Posting portal page. Beth clicks the Create New Job button in the Create New Job section. She is presented with the customizable HR template form in the Job Application Preview section. This form adheres to corporate policies requiring use of approved templates while allowing position-specific questions to be added. Next, Beth selects Financial Planner from the list of open job positions. The form is populated with a job title and location. The financial planner criteria is entered into the form as well, enabling the applicant to specify if they satisfy a criteria. The applicant also has the option to easily attach supporting documentation including Word documents, images, and other files via an attachment button. To customize the financial planner application form further, Beth has the option of adding additional questions by using the Add Criteria section. Beth enters the question, "Have you ever declared personal bankruptcy?" and then selects the Add button. By adding specific questions to the application template, Beth and her team can more quickly identify candidates that do not meet certain expectations, thus reducing the time it takes to screen and rank candidates. Once the application form is ready, Beth selects the Publish button. This will push the form to Zeta Bank's Career Opportunities portal page. The power of a Lotus Forms and WebSphere portal implementation allows Zeta Bank to quickly implement a job application form. Potential candidates are now able to access the Financial Planner application form. To do this, they will access the Career Opportunities portal page and select the newly created posting. Jeffrey, a potential candidate, selects the newly created Financial Planner position in the Open Positions section. Since the position is posted on Zeta Bank's public portal, he fills in the application form from his home computer. Jeffrey enters his name and address. He selects a state from the drop-down. The wizard-driven electronic form ensures that Jeffrey enters all the required information and that the data is error-free. Jeffrey enters an invalid email address. The form notifies Jeffrey that an error was made. Jeffrey fixes his mistake. Notice how intelligence in the form allows a phone number to be entered in any format, but then applies a specific format for presentation. Jeffrey proceeds to employment history. He provides information regarding his current employer. Jeffrey then enters data for previous employment. Just like with phone numbers, dates can be entered in a variety of formats. The Add button allows Jeffrey to add as many rows to the table as needed. As Jeffrey makes his third entry, he realizes that it may not be appropriate for this position. He deletes the row. Jeffrey goes on to the second page. He provides education and training details. Jeffrey proceeds to the job-specific criteria section. Jeffrey reads the first requirement. Having just completed his securities course, he indicates that he has satisfied this criteria by selecting the checkbox. He encloses a copy of his securities course certificate. He then fills in the mandatory explanation text area by making reference to the certificate attached. The criteria captured by the structured form not only makes it easy for Zeta Bank to rank the applicants, but ensures that all applicants are measured equally on their skills and knowledge, and not on how well they write a resume and cover letter. Having answered whether he satisfies all of the criteria, Jeffrey moves on to the third and final page of the job application form. He provides some references and is now ready to attach a resume.